I think these belong to us.
Thank you.
Hey,
Thank you for helping.
we'll find another way.
What you just watched was created entirely with AI. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the complete process I used to create it. From generating the story and creating consistent characters to turning those characters into cinematic scenes, making them move and talk with dialogue, and putting everything together into a complete AI movie. So, let's get started. The first thing we need is our story. For this example, I'm using ChatGPT to come up with my movie idea and script. For this tutorial, I'm going to start by typing this prompt into the prompt box. Generate 20 interesting Nollywood movie ideas featuring only 2 adult characters aged 25 or older. Avoid children and sensitive content. Then, click on Send. ChatGPT will generate 20 different movie ideas for us. Go through the list and choose whichever story you want to create. For this tutorial, I'm going with story number 14. So, back in the prompt box, I'll type, expand story 14 into a complete 7-scene Nollywood short movie script using only the same 2 adult characters throughout all 7 scenes. Then, click on Send again. ChatGPT will now take that idea and turn it into a complete 7-scene movie script. Now that we have our script, we need the prompts for our characters, scene images, and video animations. So, still inside the prompt box, I'm going to paste my next master prompt. This prompt tells ChatGPT to first create a character reference prompt showing our 2 characters together, and then generate the image prompts for all 7 scenes while maintaining the same characters throughout the movie. I've also included the exact visual style I want for the movie inside the prompt. The prompt is quite long, so I'm not going to read everything out. I'll leave it in the description below so you can simply copy it and customize it for your own movie. Once that's done, ChatGPT gives us our character reference prompt, followed by the image prompts for all 7 scenes. Next, we need our animation prompts, so I'll paste my next prompt, asking ChatGPT to create cinematic image-to-video animation prompts with character dialogue for every scene. And now we have everything we need: our story, movie script, character reference, scene image prompts, and animation prompts. The next step is to actually create our characters and images. I'll start with the character reference. On the left-hand side, I'll click on More, select Images, and this will take me into the image generation section. Here, I'll paste the character reference prompt that ChatGPT generated for us and click Generate. After a few seconds, we have both of our characters together in one reference image. This reference is important because these are the same 2 characters we want to maintain throughout all 7 scenes of our movie. If your own movie has more characters, that's completely fine. You can create additional character references based on your story. Now that our character reference is ready, we can use it to start generating the images for all 7 scenes. Now, instead of generating all 7 scene images one after another manually, I'm going to show you a much faster way to generate them all at once. First, I'll copy the image prompts ChatGPT created for each scene and arrange them from scene 1 to scene 7 inside a Google document. Once that's done, I'll open the Extensions menu in Chrome, select Manage Extensions, and then open the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, I'll search for ChatGPT Image Auto, select the extension, and click Add to Chrome. Once the extension is installed, I'll head back to ChatGPT, click the extensions icon, and open the extension we just installed. Now, I'll copy all 7 scene prompts from my Google document and paste them into the prompt box inside the extension. For the aspect ratio, I'm selecting 16:9 because we're creating a landscape movie. Next, under Reference Images, I'll upload the character reference image we created earlier. This will help maintain the appearance of our 2 characters while generating the different scenes. Then, I'll go into Settings and turn on Auto Download. This way, whenever an image finishes generating, it will automatically download to my device. Once everything is set, I'll return to the Control section, click Add to Queue, and then click Run. And that's it. Our image generation process has started. As you can see, the extension is now processing our prompts one after another. Once the first image is generated, it automatically downloads to my device, and the extension continues with the remaining scenes. So instead of manually pasting and generating every single scene one at a time, we can let the extension handle the entire batch for us. And here we have all 7 of our scene images generated and ready to go. Now it's time to bring these images to life by turning them into videos with movement and dialogue. For this, I'm going to use Google Vids. Go to Google Vids, Sign in with your Google account and click Get Started. Once you're inside, look over to the right-hand side and select AI Video. Here, you'll see two different options for creating videos. Create from scratch and animate your image. Since we already have our scene images, I'm going to select the option to animate an image. Now, I'll upload the first scene image we generated earlier. For the video model, I'm selecting VO3 with audio so our characters can speak directly inside the generated video. Next, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to match our original scene images. Now we need the animation instructions. I'll head back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt it generated for scene 1, come back to Google Vids, and paste that prompt here. Once everything is ready, I'll click Generate and wait for the video to process. And there we have it, our first scene has been transformed from a still image into an animated video with movement and dialogue. Now, simply repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Upload the image, copy its corresponding video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and generate. And here we have all 7 of our animated scenes ready. At this point, you can take your clips into any video editor you prefer, like CapCut, arrange them in the correct order, add captions, sound effects, background music, transitions, or any other final touches you want. You can also do some of your editing directly here on the platform if you prefer. And that's it, we've gone from a simple movie idea to a complete AI movie with consistent characters, cinematic scenes, movement, and dialogue. And that's how you can create your own AI movie from beginning to end. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.